All right, y'all. Today is a nice, wet, rainy day at the homestead. But just because it's raining doesn't mean that I'll stop working. I'm still out here putting in work in the garden. I still got to get out here, make sure my chickens have fresh water, fresh feed. I still get out here and move the chicken tractor so they can have some fresh grass. Now I'm about to go ahead and do some work in the garden. So I won't be spending much time in the garden today, but I do want to make sure I get out here like I do every day and check to make sure none of these white moths laid any of their green caterpillar eggs on any of my cabbage or my lettuce. And then I also want to check to make sure that none of the squash bugs got onto any of my squash. So yesterday I sprayed everything down with some neem oil, but since we have this rain now, that pretty much rinsed all that off. And as long as I get out here every day and check all my plants, then I'll be good to go. And since I started my growth season, I only seen one baby caterpillar, green caterpillar, on one of my cabbage leaves. And I know here I am in grow zone 8A, and usually our last freezing temperatures are April the 11th. Today's April the 18th, and I know tomorrow night we're supposed to get down to like 39. And for those who've been following me know that our weather channel is usually off by about 5 degrees, but lately they've been off by like 7 degrees. So I definitely want to make sure I keep an eye on my garden, and I'm probably going to go ahead and cover everything up just to be on the safe side. So like I said, I'm out here just double checking, making sure that none of these white moths laid any eggs on my cabbages. And then I want to check under the bottom of my squash to make sure that I have no squash bugs getting started. You can see where that one caterpillar was, where it ate a little bit of the cabbage, and that was all in one day, y'all, because I check every single day. So definitely get out there and check to make sure none of these bugs are getting on here, or the bad insects destroying your garden. And as y'all can see, I have one of my zucchinis that's flowering. So you can tell spring is in the air. But just wanted to double check on my garden, make sure everything is good to go. Do my daily routines when it comes to my chickens. But I'm gonna go ahead and get out of this rain. Hopefully everybody's having a great productive day out there in them gardens, and we'll catch you on the next one.